Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of Classic American Muscle Cars 2. In today's edition, we have a 1969 Dodge Charger with a Hemi. This car was made popular in that one racing movie that I cannot mention due to copyright reasons. In other terms, there was an actor in there, who I once again can't mention, who was a bald diesel truck person. And I hope that gets the hint across. Alright, without further ado, let's get into it. Thank you guys for watching. Kind of feel bad that I lost a door in that, but alright. But once again, thank you guys for watching so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And that last jump kind of reminded me of that mysterious reddish orange car that has number painted on to the side of it. Wink wink. So yeah. Alright, well everyone, you have a good night. Alright. And this has been Drew's Gameplay.